Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, we are going to cover multiple hiring opportunities from IBM, LG, Genpact, Adobe, AMD, Dentsu, Cognizant, as well as we are going to discuss the previous experience from the selected candidates, how and what type of questions they are asking in programming as well as during technical round. We are going to discuss in this particular video. So when we come to the first opportunity, that is from IBM, the role is software developer and the location is Bangalore. You are going to work on cloud platform. So this is about IBM. When we come to the responsibilities, we need to manage the code from initial stage 2 till deployment, which includes reviewing, testing, and operations, various operations we are going to perform on this particular code. And we are going to use various open source tools for the instrumenting, monitoring, and altering, as well as the debugging of production services. And we are going to participate on-call rotations along with the other members. So we are going to participate in architectural discussions, continuously strive to provide best-in-class experience for IBM development teams. So we need to have some awareness about the latest technologies. We're going to provide the support for end user and collaborating with development teams to understand their needs and optimize the building process. So the basic qualification we need is bachelor's degree, BE, B.Tech with branches in computer science or information science. Then we need to have some skills about C, C++, Java, Python, and Go language. And we need to have some problem solving as well as analytical skills. So if you have IBM cloud service as well as the management experience, then you are going to have the more preference. If you are interested, click on apply now. So when we come to the next opportunity from LG, the location is Bangalore. And if you have solid knowledge in C, C++, embedded programming language, basic knowledge about Linux and data structures as well as operating system concepts we need to have. So the role is C, C++ developer and the designation is software developer, and this is purely contractual based position, not regular position. When we come to the qualifications, BE, B.Tech from IT, CSC, EC, Trivial are eligible, and of 2023, 24 and 25 batches are eligible for this particular position. The minimum requirement is we need to maintain 65% of track record from 10th class to highest degree. And the CTC they mentioned is 4.9 lakhs per annum. So this is the interview process here. Round 1, we are going to have online assessment, completely MCQs we are going to have. In round 2, online assessment, coding test we are going to have. Round 3, face-to-face technical interview. Round 4, HR. So these are the important things about this role. And this is completely work from office role. If you are interested, click on apply now. You can go through all these details here. We need to work for 5 days per week. Then salary type annual CTC, salary is 4 to 4. They mentioned here 4.9, but here they are saying 4 to 4.9. So they are the branches eligible. MC are also eligible. If you are interested, click on apply now. So when we come to the third, that is from Genpact, and the role is business analyst, SQL developer. When we come to the responsibilities, we need to provide the production support for SQL Server databases, and we are going to develop and implement change requests for SQL Server databases based on the requirements, and we are going to develop and maintain stored procedures, user-defined functions. We are going to collaborate with cross-functional teams to understand and address data-related issues, and we can have the capability to optimize the SQL queries and maintain update database documentation like ETL process and data integration tasks we need to perform, and we can able to troubleshoot and resolve database related issues very short span of time. Ensure data integrity and security across all database systems. The minimum qualifications required are bachelor's degree in computer science, IT or related field. You need to have strong knowledge in SQL Server development and good experience in Informatica, strong knowledge in SQL programming and database management. And if we have capability to optimize the query optimization, then if you have problem solving skills, then communication skills, teamwork abilities, then you can apply. These are the preferred skills. Experience in Python is a plus. Data warehousing concepts if you have, or agile methodology if you have, then you are going to have more preference in this particular role. If you are interested, click on apply now. So when we come to the next role, that is from Adobe, and the role is software development engineer. Location is Bangalore. And when we come to the responsibilities, we are going to develop and maintain integration solutions between Adobe Analytics as well as Adobe Cloud. Then we are going to implement handle REST APIs for data exchange, And we are going to involve in designing and development optimized database schemas as well as query. We are going to collaborate with multifunctional teams so that you can understand easily the basic requirements of that particular organization. We are going to test and validate your own components and resolve technical issues related to integration and database performance. When we come to the qualifications, bachelor's degree, any bachelor's degree or equivalent experience in computer science, IT or related field, and if you have experience in Python, Java and Spark development. So we need to have some knowledge in Python, Java, Spark development, REST APIs, as well as their implementation. And we can able to work on relational databases, particularly PostgreSQL and MySQL. And problem solving skills we need to have. And if you have strong interpersonal skills and ability to collaborate with others, then you are going to get more preference in this particular role. If you are interested, click on apply now. So when we come to the next role, that is from AMD, and the role is software developer engineer, location is Bangalore. And when we come to the key responsibilities, we are going to work on AMD architectures. As we know, this is one type of processor, and on this processor architecture, we are going to work. Applying data-minded approach and target optimization efforts we need to have. Then we are going to stay informed of the software, hardware trends and innovations, especially pertaining to the algorithms as well as the architecture related to AMD processor. We are going to work on innovative technologies for AMD processors. So we need to have the capability to debug as well as fix the existing issues which are available or which are there in AMD processor. Develop technical relationships with peers and partners. So those who have familiarity with C, C++ and object-oriented programming, and those who have ability to write high-quality code in C, C++, they may ask you to write the code in Arduino. So we need to write high-quality code in C, C++. If you are familiar in handling the concurrent programming, and if you can able to work on Windows, Linux, or Android operating system development, if you have an experience with the software development process and tools. When we come to the basic eligibility, if you have bachelor's or master's degree in computer science engineering, computer engineering or electrical engineering or equivalent, then you are eligible to apply for this particular position. If you are interested, click on apply. When we come to the next hiring opportunity from Dentsu, and the role is associate software engineer. So they're offering this position for multiple locations like Mumbai, Pune, as well as Mumbai. This is full time, and the last date is 31st May 2025. When we come to the description, so it is hiring the graduates of 2025 batch only from engineering stream. The roles are development, QA as well as support side. They are offering this role. And if you have knowledge in SQL, DBMS, and if you are able to write the programming in C, C++, Java, PHP, and Python, then you are eligible to apply for this particular position. If you are interested, click on apply here. When we come to the next role called Cognizant, this is trainee role, and we need to assist the data collection as well as analysis using MS Excel as well as support various departments. And we are going to create and maintain spreadsheets to track the performance, and we are going to generate the reports as well as dashboards using Excel, and we are going to collaborate with the various members of team to conduct the data audits as well as validations in regular intervals. We are going to support in the development as well as implementation of data management process and procedures. You can go through all these things. There is no specific qualifications here. If you have strong foundation in MS Excel, how to use functions and how to use formulas, how to do analysis using Excel, then you can apply for this particular position. So this is about Cognizant, no need of introduction about this. If you are interested, click on apply now. When I'm browsing for opportunities, I got this link here. This is the interview experience for the software engineer on-campus interview, which is conducted in 2021. So in round one, they have four programming-based questions are there, which including DBMS query and Java exception handling, and the duration is 1.5 hours. And we are going to write these four questions in 1.5 hours. Question 1 and 2 are the programming questions. So question number 1 is based on string manipulation program, and question number 2 based on knapsack problem, and question number 3 from DBMS again from SQL query like aggregate functions like sum. By using this, we are going to write the query. And question number 4, which is from Java program, the exception handling related questions you got in question number 4. In round 2, technical interview, and you can go through. These are the programming questions you may get during the interview. In round 3, you are going to have technical interview, and here also how the questions they may ask during the technical interview too. Round 4, director's round, and these are the questions you may get, you can go through. In the same manner, this is also experience from the candidate who qualified in on-campus. So in this case, round 1, the written coding, 3 questions are there. Printing the boundary elements of the binary elements, finding the smallest square submatrix out of a given square matrix, whose sum is equal to given sum, like this. In round two interview questions are there. You can go through all these things. I'll post the link in the description. So that's all for now. If you have any queries, you can comment on me so that I'll try to reply. Thank you. All the best.